What's up to my favorite bunch of beauties? Welcome back to the channel. This is a makeup basket video. Surprise. FYI, if you see me in my video tomorrow and I'm talking about the Mally product that I can't remember, it is the Evercolor Poreless Face Defender. I was trying to take that shine down a little bit from that dewy foundation or skin tint. But here I am with a makeup basket video. At some point, you have to realize what works for your channel. And it seems like my makeup baskets and my Monday morning makeup videos are something that people enjoy. So I am going to continue to do those. Changed my mind. I changed my mind. There will also be other things on this channel still. Like I mentioned in my Monday morning makeup, I am going to do a video coming up, I think on Thursday is when I'm going to post it, for people who want help with starting their YouTube channels, because there is too much crazy information on YouTube about how to sort of get the algorithm to recognize you. And I think it's crazy. So I think there's a lot of bad advice, and people keep doubling down on this bad advice because it's getting them views, it's getting them monetized, it's getting them $6,000 to $8,000 a month in YouTube AdSense revenue. We won't mention any names because we don't need to. But let's move on. I am just going to be sharing with you all real quick what I am going to be using this week. Try to get my life together here because, first of all, where's the back of this? I am tired of not looking presentable. And I go to work looking like somebody who just rolled out of their bed and threw their uniform on, and I'm tired of doing that. So I feel like I need to get back into the routine of this makeup basket video so I know at least that I am prepared for the week. And I get to work, I feel like, early enough that if I can't do my makeup at home, I can do it at work. So let's just jump into it. So since I have not done a makeup basket in God knows when, there is nothing to show you that I used last week. So we're just going to jump into what I'm using this week. And I am going to put my hands on my foundation / skin tint first. And that is the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Nude Glow in the shade Rich Honey. So I'll be using that. The concealer is going to be the Sephora Best Skin Ever in the shade 35N. And I just because I just recently switched this out, I am now going to be using for the next 3 months, I guess, the Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. So it's the purple one. I love all Lash Princess mascaras. I pulled out, I'm just grabbing things randomly. A couple of blushes from Pat McGrath, and this one is the shade Cherish. So that's this one here. This one is the shade, and this is one of those duo ones, Night Bloom. So that is this one here. I pulled out a couple of my Lethal Cosmetics sort of face palettes that I created. And this is one. And this is the second one. So we have basically a bronzer. I think these are 2 blushes. Bring that closer. but this one will probably be more highlighty than blush. This one I think is definitely, yeah, it's two blushes and then a highlighter in the middle. So I will be using those. Let's see. I will also be using my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Unlocked palette in the Lotus Flower combo. And that one looks like that. That is the deepest one that they have for this season. Let's see, lip colors. I, of course, have, because these are the quickest things to grab, my Tower 28 blushes. I'm not blushes, my Tower 28 lip glosses. And this one is, oops, this one is in the shade Dream. And this one is my favorite. It is in the shade Sesame. And I think I ended up buying two of these by mistake. And then this one is in the shade Coconut. So we will be using those. Ooh, I have two mascaras. I forgot I have my Lashtopia from Bare Minerals. So we'll go back and forth between that and the Lash Princess. As always, we will be using the Contemplative State paint pot. And, oh, I have one lipstick, which I have on today, so I have to mention it. This is one of the Fenty, I forgot what you call these things, but it pops up. Lipsticks, and this is in the shade Loudspeaker. So it looks like that. I think that is the only lipstick. I will probably be throwing lip glosses in my bag all week. I think, let me just jump onto my eyeshadow palettes. The one that I used today, oh, I threw it over here, is the Night Flower palette from Lethal Cosmetics. And that looks like this. I was feeling purple because my shirt is purple, so. And I have the Where the Wild Things Grow from Sydney Grace. And that looks like this. Nice fall palette. And I have two Odin's Eye palettes. I have the Jewels and Gem. And that is what that looks like. And those are the shades. And then the other one is, I think something about stone. Let me do that later. Stone and Rock. And this is mostly like a green palette, so love it. This is pretty. So those are my eyeshadow palettes for the week. Yeah, with that being said, that is pretty much it. That is my makeup basket for the week. It's pretty minimal. We are trying to get back into the groove of doing what I should have always been doing. Let's be honest. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and don't let your day be a waste of makeup. Bye.